Super aga ko nagising now. Nagising ako ng 4:30 a.m. Pero right now, it's 5:13 na. So nagilamos muna ako, then nag-breakfast. And I think about going out kasi naka-stuck lang ako sa bahay for almost 1 week. And I feel so unproductive na. And feeling ko ito rin yung perfect time kasi super aga kong nagising and nakatulog ako ng maayos. So I think may time ako para i-romanticize yung life ko. Yun din pala yung gagawin ko for today's vlog. So I will show you guys the things that I do to romanticize my life. But with the twist, the challenge is tada! Only 500 lang yung budget ko now. And tignan natin kung saan ako dadalhin ng 500. Malaki pa tong budget ko actually kapag lumalabas ako or nagro-romanticize ako ng life. Pero kasi for today, magbabike ako and magta-try ako ng new coffee shop. Na-excite na ako. So now, magagayak na ako and I will show you guys the first step. So, let's go! First, start your day with a cold shower to wake up your body and brush your teeth because hygiene is a must. So now, let's do my makeup routine. And guys, I swear, wearing makeup is one of the factors that can boost your confidence. Even if you're a man or a woman. Kasi when you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, you think life is good. So it's also a sign of self-love. So let's go! Now, let's do a 1-minute glow up. I always like to shave my mustache and beard kasi feeling ko, it makes me look old. And if you're a man like me, you only need 6 products to have a glow up. First, moisturizer to smoothen your face. Foundation to cover your acne and redness sa face. Look at the difference. Powder to set the foundation. Contour to slim down the nose. And black eyebrow. Last, lipstick so you don't look pale. Styling your hair is also one of the life-changing talaga. Like what they said, good hair, good day. Now, let's dress up. Super importante for me na suotin yung super love ko or favorite ko na clothes kapag nag-romanticize ako ng life. Kasi I wanna be confident like whole day. And I feel like it will give me positive energy, ganun, or good vibes. So, dadalhin ko tong isang extra clothes ko kasi magbabike pala ako later and for sure pagpapawisan ako. Kaya dadalhin ko to para may extra ako. And guys, you should do the same thing. Wear something that will make you really comfortable for being you. You shouldn't dress for anyone and we shouldn't care about their opinions or kung anong isipin nila. It should be us wearing what we like kasi we're comfortable with it. It should be us being comfortable with what we look like. We also have to think of ourselves kapag nakita tayo ng mirror na, oh, I look good today or I like my shoes but they are not uncomfortable. So it should be always us being comfortable. Ipapuntahan ko yung place na super curious ako. Super gusto ko siyang puntahan. Kaso di ko siya mapuntahan kasi super layo. Puntahan ko na kasi may bike na ako.
I am waiting for an answer. Will you be the first to speak?
Mag-isa lang ako, guys. I'm alone. Super saya.
I always thought I'd be seeing you.
Sana magkaroon din ako ng sariling bike. Kasi super masarap mag-bike. Lalo na kapag madaling araw or gabi. So I wish one day magkaroon ako ng bike.
Could I have helped to keep your heart.
Super nostalgic sa feeling kapag nag-bike. Feeling ko, 2020 pa rin. Kasi before may kami mag-bike lang sa mga kapatid ko. Then, lagi kami nag-bike ng madaling araw or gabi. So, na-miss ko yung feeling. I only have 10 minutes left. So, I'll enjoy it na habang may time pa.
What if I reached out and no one answers? What if pride is our real disease?
Ay, super pagod.
Well,
Doon na ako mag-bike and super pagod na ako. And super pawis. Now, mag-change na ako ng clothes. Then, on the way na ako sa Mall of Asia. Punta na ako now sa coffee shop na super ganda na gusto kong i-try. Kaso natatakot ako. Baka kasi maraming tao. Sana wala. Sana konti lang. Wish me luck. Look. Parang ngayong araw, feeling ko ako lang yung tao sa buong mundo. Kasi, look. Lagi akong mag-isa. I'm here na! Super nice here. Kasi ang ganda ng view, then ang ganda ng place. Kaso, super init lang. Sana pala nag-ice coffee na lang ako. Thank you po. Wow. Ang ganda ng coffee, guys. Parang ayoko siyang inumin kasi ayokong masira. And ang laki niya. Hindi ko alam kung mauubos ko ba to. Okay lang yung lasa ng glazed donut. Sakto lang siya for 85 pesos, pero nothing special. Then yung coffee, mapait siya for me. Pero, okay lang naman for the experience. Every time I romanticize my life like this, feeling ko, I'm living my life ng tama. By the way guys, lahat tayo may iba't ibang way kung paano i-romanticize yung life. And this is how I do mine. This is what makes me feel alive. Pero you don't have to. I mean, don't think or don't feel na you're not living your life ng tama just because you do it differently. I want you all to understand then na romanticizing your life means romanticizing your life. It's about what makes you happy and doing what you love. And hindi yung mga bagay na nakikita nyo sa internet. They're not living your life. If for me, it means being always outdoor or going out and listening to music or being happy all the time or being positive all the time. For you, it can be different. You can do it without spending money or just being at home. It can be you romanticizing cleaning your room or laying down on your bed habang naglalaro ng games or watching movie, romanticizing your solo meals, romanticizing walking or going sa grocery store, romanticize crying and think na nasa dramatic movie ka, romanticize your alone time by not feeling lonely. Super dami, as in super daming way para i-romanticize yung life. Pero, it's really all about doing what you love or doing what makes you happy. Kasi kahit ako, I don't always have money. Hindi naman kami mayaman. So, I just wait and save money para makagala ako. So, I romanticize my life kahit na nasa bahay lang ako. And doing those things na na-mention ko. And hindi lang sa ganung way actually. I also do it by fully accepting my situations and emotions, like feeling my sadness, failure, depression, progress, healing, and everything. It doesn't always mean na i-chase mo lagi yung perfection or being happy all the time. It means being more present in your own story. Nagulat ako kasi pagbaba ko super dami ng tao. I always like dressing up ever since nung bata pa ako. And every time na nagumall ako, lagi ako nag-try ng new clothes. I don't know, it makes me happy. It feels like I'm seeing the other version of myself. The future financially stable one. Like, I don't need to check the price anymore. Kumbaga, kuha lang ako ng kuha. Ganon. So now, let's do it! I always like trying Pete's here sa H&M. Kasi ito lang yung store na I don't find much intimidating. Finally, got some outfits to try on na. I'll do a transition. Before, after. Cool ba yung transition, guys? Please say yes. Feeling ko ang pogi ko yung sa set na to. Yes, dance, Jojo, dance. And yes, I'm always like this every time nakakita ko ng mirror. Sobrang ganda. Gusto ko siyang bilhin, kaso ayaw ng wallet ko. Pero, okay lang. Next time, mabibili ko to. Promise. Manifesting, mabibili ko to soon. Manifesting, mabibili ko to soon. Manifesting. Nag-aalinlangan ako kung mabibili ko siya soon. Kasi 5,000 and 2K for pants. Siguro kung mga 1K pataas lang, kaya ko pambilin siya or pag-ipunan. Pero for 5K, hindi. I also wanna try some shoes. So, try ko siya. Ang ganda. Super comfortable niya sa suotin and I love it kasi ang ganda ng pagka-brown niya. Look, ang cute! My cat! Oh my gosh, what is this? Love ko tong tatlo na to. The cat, the hyperpigmentation, and the word of God. Mag-drawing na din ako. I'm on my way na sa seaside and bumili ako ng snack sa McDo. Super ganda pa rin talaga here. Di mawawala sa pag-romanticize ko ng life yung pagmumuni-muni ko. Kasi doon ako nagre-recharge ng social battery ko. And ina-appreciate ko lang yung world and yung silence. Then later, magiging okay na ako. Super ganda ng wave talaga. Para siyang painting sa personal. I swear, talagang may something sa dagat na nakapag-heal. Hindi ko alam kung yung hangin ba, or yung view, or yung sunset. Feeling ko na-recharge ako and na-heal yung pagkatao ko. I'm home na. So, nagpalit na ako ng clothes. Then, nakapag-ayos na rin ako. And, buti talaga, nagdala ako ng extra 50 pesos. Kasi kung hindi, baka din ako nakauwi. So, yung total budget na nagastos ko is 540. Hindi ko nagawa yung challenge. Pero, nagawa ko pa rin naman kasi hindi naman lumagpas ng 600. So, ayun. That is the things I did to romanticize my lonely life. And for me, super worth it actually na experience ko. Kahit naubos na yung pera ko. Pero okay lang kasi nag-enjoy naman ako. So, here ko na i-end yung live ko. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Bye!